How to delete notes on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Then make sure to log into your account. Now Instagram has a feature called Notes. Notes give you a personal space to share updates and thoughts as short posts with certain people. If you want to add a note, you can simply tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then from here, you have the option of your note. Tap on that. Here you have the option to add a song, add a picture, or simply add any text. Once you have typed the text, you can also decide who you want to share this with. After this, you want to tap on the share option, and here you can see your note has been posted. Now for some reason, if you want to delete this note, all you have to do is follow these simple steps. Tap on your note option again. Here you have two options. The first one is to leave a new note. If you simply want to change or leave another note, you can tap on that option. However, if you want to delete the previous note, you want to tap on the second option, which is delete note. Once you tap on that option, the note will be deleted. And after the note has been deleted, you can simply tap on your note again and then add text, photos or music as you want. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.